Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pete. Today we're going to be doing a little installation. I just opened the package. Magic Strobe Custom Dynamics, and we're going to be putting it on a Dyna Street Bob. With all these big bagger bills going on, everybody seemed to have forgotten the long lost Dyna. Everybody's on the M8 craze. I guess if I had one, I'd be on it too. So this should be a really simple installation. You get this unit here. Comes with two pigtails. Really simple. One plugs into the harness right there. Unplug that, plug one side into the other side into the other one. First, you have to disconnect the battery. We're gonna pull the negative. Put this on. This has different settings. It's got one to strobe for the brake lights on off, and it's got another one to strobe for the turn signals on off. And then this little dial right here has 9 or 10 positions, I forget, of different levels or types of strobing. Get into this.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people.
See that? You gotta pull that tab out. One thing I never see anybody do anymore is add dielectric grease. Probably not needed, but can't hurt it either.
They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's
Now let's see what it looks like. That's with it off. Strobe number 0. Strobe number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Again, number 4. Number 5. That's number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. I think this is gonna be mine right here. I kind of like number 5 also. There you have it. There you have it. I think I'm going to have it on number 4. I kind of like that flash pattern. Number 4 flashes 4 times for 1 second, and then it stays solid. And then if you feel like you need to hit it again, you can just release it and tap it again. It'll flash 4 times and then stay solid. I think that's more than enough. This is like a safety feature too. I kind of feel like this is a must do on any motorcycle. I'm surprised I just haven't done it earlier. I've never done it earlier. But anyway, just another little quick mod on the Dyna. You don't see any of this stuff on the internet anymore. Everybody's into those big horsepower baggers. Hope you all find this video informative. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for future content. I'll talk to you guys later.